A decision overturned and a local family overjoyed tonight. A 4-year-old Fox Valley boy will get a potentially life-saving transplant. The State Department of Health Services has agreed to cover the procedure. Lindsay Vermis has more in this Fox 11 follow-up.
A common embrace means a bit more, coming from little Charlie Knuth.
He's so far ahead of his years, and he knows that those people that he hugs are really trying to help him.
You see, hugs can be painful for the 4-year-old. He suffers from a rare genetic disease that makes his skin blister severely. But Charlie wanted to say thanks, to recognize those who helped him win a more promising future.
You know, there's hope where there wasn't any before. All we had to look forward to before was things getting worse, and trust me, they're bad already.
Charlie's Minnesota doctor believes a bone marrow stem cell transplant will save his life and make his skin tougher. Medicaid initially refused to cover the procedure, calling it experimental, but reversed the decision after a push from lawmakers and the public.
They're not really allowed to authorize any treatment that is not approved by the FDA. So we had to work through some minor juggernaut and language to demonstrate that indeed 10 other children have received this therapy and have been cured.
The State Department of Health Services told the family it has learned private insurers have covered the rare procedure, so Medicaid will too.
This is the first time we have ever received a request for this procedure, and as a result, that required us to do a lot more research and look into this a lot more closely.
Charlie's family is relieved they did.
We'll be calling Minnesota today and finding out what they have planned for us, and we'll be packing up our stuff and we're heading to Minnesota.
Charlie, you got a ticket?
Not a golden ticket, perhaps, but even better. For Charlie, this could be a ticket to life. In Darboy, Lindsay Vermis, Fox 11 News.
And the family says a 5-year-old boy with the same disease has seen great results from the transplant. Within weeks, he was able to leave the hospital and even jump on a trampoline.